The important key points of this lecture include: what is closing entries? Important closing entries question with solution.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.
Closing entries. At the end of every accounting period, all accounts relating to expenses and revenues are closed by transferring their balances to trading and profit and loss account. Entries are necessary for such transfer, which are known as closing entries. In this question, closing balances are extracted from trial balance. Past journal entries to close the accounts on December 31, 2021. Let's start to solve this question. Rent account $2,000. Rent account nature is an indirect expense. At the end of the accounting period, all indirect expenses were transferred to the profit and loss account. Closing entry will be: profit and loss account debit $2,000 and rent account credit $2,000. Salary account $5,000. Salary account nature is an indirect expense and transferred to profit and loss account. The closing entry will be: profit and loss account debit $5,000 and salary account credit $5,000. Wages account $6,000. Wages account nature is a direct expense, and all direct expenses were transferred to the trading account. The closing entry will be: trading account debit $6,000, wages account credit $6,000. Interest account credit balance $4,000. The interest account nature is an indirect revenue, and all indirect revenues transferred to profit and loss account. The closing entry will be: interest account debit $4,000 and profit and loss account credit $4,000.